Today we're going to be taking a look at the Optronics LED Trailer Utility light. This is a round trailer light that mounts wherever you need a little extra light. This would be ideal to mount near your trailer's coupler to make it easier to see when you're hitching up to your truck in low light conditions. The unit does feature a sonically sealed design, so it's got a waterproof housing and lens unit that is submersible. It's an LED system. LEDs are going to make great replacements for incandescent lights. They last longer, they're much more efficient, they burn brighter, and you don't have to worry about replacing bulbs, and you don't have to worry about brittle filaments. This light's going to be constructed with a polycarbonate lens and housing. It's going to feature white LEDs with a nice clear lens, so it's going to allow plenty of light to come through. On the back side, you can see that it's a two-wire design, so you're going to have your power wire, which is black, your ground wire, which is white. This is a surface mount installation, so it mounts directly on the surface of the trailer with the built-in mounting flange. It's going to have 3 mount holes. Mounting hardware is not included. And then there's also a snap-on trim ring that can be added to hide the hardware after it's installed, and just to give the light a nice clean finished look. The trim ring is sold separately. Now this is Department of Transportation compliant. It meets FMVSS 108 requirements for automotive lighting. We're going to take a look at some of the dimensions real quick, starting with the overall diameter. So measuring from edge to edge, this light's going to give us a measurement of 3 1/4 inches. When I measured the thickness or the depth from very top to very bottom, that's going to give us a thickness of about 9/16 of an inch. The mount holes, again, there's going to be 3 of those. Those are going to be separated apart from one another on center by 2 3/8 of an inch. Now this light's going to contain 9 diodes, that's 9 LEDs. The power draw at 12.8 volts is 0.074 amps, and Optronics puts a lifetime warranty on the LEDs. We're going to go ahead and hook it up to our external power source, that way you can see what it looks like with power running to it. We'll also be able to turn off our overhead lights so you can see it in a low light setting. So you can see that the light sends out a nice consistent light output. Again, it's got 9 LEDs, so the multi-diode design really helps optimize the light output. And it's going to contain the white LEDs with that clear lens, so it allows plenty of light to get through. That's going to do it for today's look at the Optronics LED Trailer Utility light.